Feeling hot and sticky during the summer months? Here are the 5 best personal neck fans I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, FR Sarah Neck Fan. Let's kick things off with the FR Sarah Neck Fan, priced at $23.99. What caught my attention was its impressive design that promises a strong wind with 360-degree cooling. If you want a personal fan that gives you a quick chill, this is worth a serious look. The upgraded air volume is 70% stronger, meaning you'll feel that refreshing breeze in just 3 seconds. Plus, it's designed to prevent hair from getting caught so you can wear it without worry. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, clearly, people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the fan being slightly bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit heavier around your neck, the cooling power makes it worth it for those sweltering days. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable neck fan that can keep you cool during outdoor activities or even while working from home. Skip this one if you're after something extremely lightweight, but for the price and performance, it's a solid buy. Now, if the bulkiness of the FR Sarah bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a sleeker design. Product number 2, SWETFULL Portable Neck Fan. Next up is the SWETFULL Portable Neck Fan, also priced at $23.99. I was drawn to its bladeless design, which not only looks sleek but also offers enhanced cooling. If you want a fan that won't mess up your hair, this is definitely worth considering. This fan has an around air outlet that boosts cooling efficiency by up to 80%. It's rechargeable with a 4000 mAh battery, ensuring you have cool air from morning to night. You can easily adjust the speed with just a button, which is super convenient. With a noise level between 30–45 decibels, you won't have to deal with distractions while enjoying that fresh breeze. It's already caught the attention of over 1,000 buyers, which speaks volumes. Now, some users noted that the battery life could be better. But honestly, for its effective cooling and stylish design, this fan is still a great option, especially if you're using it intermittently. This is perfect for you if you're constantly on the go and need something that's both functional and fashionable. Skip this one if you prefer a longer battery life, but it's a solid choice for personal cooling. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum airflow. Product number 3, Penku Portable Neck Fan. Coming in at $26.99, we have the Penku Portable Neck Fan. The 360-degree cooling feature really intrigued me. If you want a fan that can hit all angles, this one's worth a serious look. The Penku fan boasts 72 wind outlets and 60 twin turbine blades, delivering a strong omnidirectional airflow. It has 3 speeds, allowing you to customize your cooling experience. Weighing just 8.8 ounces, it's super light, making it perfect for long-term wear. Plus, with a noise level of less than 20 decibels, you hardly notice it's there. It's already made over 1,000 sales, so it's clearly meeting a need. Now, some folks mentioned that the battery life can fluctuate based on speed settings. Here's the thing. While that's true, the versatility in airflow might just make it worthwhile for those hot summer outings. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight option that doesn't compromise on cooling. Skip this one if you need a fan that lasts all day at high speeds, but it's a fantastic buy if you're looking for comfort and efficiency. Alright, if that battery performance was a concern for you, the next one might just have the power you're looking for. Product number 4, Kinhali Neck Fan. Next on our list is the Kinhali Neck Fan, available for $25.99. It caught my eye due to its impressive 6,000 mAh battery and LED display. If you want something that tells you how much battery you have left while keeping you cool, this is worth looking into. The LED display is super handy, showing real-time battery status, and it charges fully in just 2.5 hours. With a runtime of up to 14 hours depending on speed, it's perfect for longer outings. It's already sold over 1,000 units, indicating strong demand. However, some people found the design a bit bulky. But honestly, the cooling performance outweighs that issue, especially if you're spending the day outdoors. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that can handle a day of activity without running out of power. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design, but it delivers where it counts. Now, if you're looking for something even more innovative, let's talk about the final product on my list. Product number 5, Helical Portable Fan. Finally, we have the Helical Portable Fan priced at just $19.99. I was impressed by its 4-in-1 functionality. It's more than just a neck fan. If you want versatility in your cooling solutions, this one's definitely worth a look. The Helical fan can be worn on your waist, around your neck, or even used as a handheld fan. It features 4 speed settings, allowing you to customize your airflow to your liking. The battery provides up to 25 hours of use, depending on the wind speed selected, which is fantastic for long days outside. With its innovative design, it's no wonder it's already sold over 1,000 units. However, some users felt that the clip design could be awkward. Here's the thing, while it might take a bit to get used to, the cooling power and versatility make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to beat the heat. This is perfect for you if you need a fan that adapts to different situations, whether you're working outdoors or enjoying a day at the park. Skip this one if you want a traditional neck fan, but it's a fantastic choice for those who want options. Now that we've gone through our top 5 personal neck fans. So to recap, we've looked at the FR Sarah, SWETFULL, Pengku, Kinhauli, and Helical neck fans. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kinhauli neck fan because of its strong cooling power and long battery life. Avoid the Pengku if you need something that can last all day at high speeds. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.